Hey, it's Edge here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for US oil. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott theory and provide multiple scenarios the price may take and explain why I prefer one counter over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on 30-minute time frame, again today focusing more on this local structure over here, starting from the lows here of 6th of September. Since then, again, we had this idea presented before where we were looking this as a potential A wave in a three-wave fashion, then a pullback for another A wave of lower degree, three-wave pullback again for B wave, so A, B, and then looking for C wave here to complete that B wave. So B wave should be taking at least to the 85.4% retracement of this original wave move for us to get this into a flat pattern. Is it possible that this is going to be something else? Definitely. We have already taken out the lows here on RSI in comparison to the previous ones here, but we have again not taken out the lows that we have here. Again, this would be the main target that we would be having, but again, as we have retraced so much here on that wave B here of this A wave, the idea is that, or the main scenario would be that this is going to be a five-way structure. We got some targets here for this five-way structure to be. 1.618 would be around $75. Of course, that is going to be quite deep already, and 2.236, which is again the main target where none of the wave structures here is going to be expanding. We would be looking at that here. That would fit also around the 1.382 retracement of this A wave here. The whole scenario would be getting invalidated if the price of this current possible B wave goes beyond this $65 low. So at the moment, again, expecting a couple of different wave structures coming down still in more bearish fashion before heading up higher for that C. Again, this C wave at this point should be getting a five-way structure if we are retracing enough for this B wave. But yeah, the main target would be taking out the lows of this A wave. Again, that would be the one-to-one target. There's not really good targets for this overall ABC here, other than this 2.236 extension, which is quite a bit. If we are just looking at the main targets, which would be residing around here, $82 to $75, this definitely does not feel like it is going to have enough space for this to be happening in a five-way move. So it is possible that we are going to get some kind of diagonal here, or we could be just getting kind of small wave 3 and 4 and 5. Again, just based on the extension targets that we have generally for this ABC structure. If we are looking at time as well, we could be comparing this wave A to the current wave C here. C generally takes a bit longer than the A wave, especially in these flat scenarios or expanded flats that we have here, just because again this wave structure has quite a few different these corrective wave structures, while this A wave only has this one here. Of course, this whole thing looks more corrective completely rather than this C wave that we currently have. At the moment, it is also quite hard to get a good looking five-way structure in here. I'm just going to say that it could be a five-way structure, but I'm not writing it off not being a three-way combination as well. We could be having this as a three-way, like so, three-way pullback and another three-way structure. Again, is not best looking, but at least we are taking out this low. I do think so. And on RSI, the goal would be to take out this low. So it would be quite a strong dump here if that is going to be happening in order to get this low to be taken. We'll see how that goes though. But I think that is pretty much going to cover all the scenarios I got for US oil at this very moment. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Link to my free Discord server in the description below. And for now, I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of the day. See you next video. Bye bye.